What's up, everybody? Peter McKinnon here. Not actually Peter McKinnon, but we do have a case. In last video, second last video, I was said at the end that there's a possibility that NANUK cases would send me a case to review, and I didn't know it was actually going to be one of their bigger cases, so I'm super stoked that they actually gave me this case. And I actually didn't think that they would have, because what kind of company is just like, yeah, there's this small YouTuber who has 3 subscribers, not actually 3, but who has 3 subscribers and he wants a case, so we're actually just gonna send him one. So I actually didn't think, because nobody who you contact is like willing to start up with a small YouTuber, small Instagram person, so it's sick and motivating if, you know, they actually do send you something to review, send you something for free, send you something that is dope as f***. So we're gonna get into this case review now. It is the 935, one of their bigger ones that has wheels, and it is beautiful. It is an amazing case. I absolutely love it. I love the way it looks. I love it is coated with like a, I don't know what it's coated with like a resin, they say, and the resin feels just super smooth. And some of the features that are actually on this is it has the reinforced metal padlocks, which most cases do, but that's still a nice thing. And it has these patented clamps, which are on all the NANUK cases, and they are super sick clamps. They're super easy to use, and they stay down actually out of the way of, if you wanted to open it and you kept on opening it or closing it, they wouldn't be in the way of that. But they sent it to me with a divider, a padded divider, which is a super big bonus too, because I don't have to pluck any of my own foam or anything like that, and I can be super versatile with it. So if I get like another stabilizer, or if I get my first drone, I can just throw it in here and not have to buy any more foam, which is sick. Alright guys, so now we're gonna go and do our stress tests. We're here at the treehouse for the drop test.
On go. 3, 2, 1.
So, we just dropped it from, I'd say that's like 14, yeah, like 14, 15 feet, and it's got like minuscule scratches, like tiny little surface scratches here. But that there is the drop test. Let's go to the water. So we're gonna do the water test now. We're gonna throw it in the lake, and we're gonna see if it floats, how waterproof it is. It's pretty self-explanatory when you throw something in the lake. Alright guys, we're back from the water and the drop test. We're just going to do a check to see if there's any water in it. And it is completely dry. I have my little cases here. They are completely dry. I have all my memory cards in here and everything, so all my USBs. So if water did get in, I would be pissed, because that is a lot of footage gone. but it is completely dry in there. I'm just gonna bring it up a little bit. Well, now I'm a shadow. All right, we're going this way. So it is completely dry in there. There are a few tiny, I don't even know if you can see that, like tiny little gashes from the drop test. It is a amazing case. I can't wait to just have all my gear in it, use it, take it around, beat it up, whatever. It did everything perfect today. It floated nice. It took the drop extremely well. These are amazing cases. Would I recommend them? Absolutely. The link is going to be in the description to these guys. So I just want to shout out the guy who I was actually talking to, and his name was Marc-Antoine Roy. I'm not French, so maybe I'm a little French, who knows. I think that was pretty good. But I want to shout him out because this is a super sick opportunity that they just blessed me with out of nowhere. Like, definitely didn't think that some absolutely nuts company would be willing to send me a case like this. And to wrap it up, I will leave the link in the description for them and buy their cases.